Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Gcash is ready and your Apple ID is signed in. This saves time. Open Gcash, check verification status, and top up the wallet so funds are available. Once done, open settings on your Apple device and confirm the Apple ID you'll charge. Make sure billing country matches the Gcash region. This prevents declines. Now, navigate to Payment and Shipping in Apple ID settings so you can add or change the payment method to Gcash. Next, add Gcash as your Apple payment option by opening Payment and Shipping and choosing Add Payment Method. Select the mobile wallet choice that corresponds to Gcash, then enter your Gcash registered mobile number. Apple will prompt a verification flow. When the verification request appears in your Gcash app, approve it so Apple can link the wallet. Make sure to allow any permission prompts and confirm a small authorization charge so the link is validated before you proceed to subscribe. Finally, open Apple Music, pick the individual or family plan, and confirm the subscription will bill your newly linked Gcash method. You'll see the charge and next billing date. Keep a screenshot for records. If the payment fails, immediately check Gcash balance, daily limits, and that your Apple billing country matches Gcash. As a troubleshooting tip, if declines continue, obtain the transaction ID from Gcash and contact their support or Apple support with that ID so they can trace and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.